Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 5086. This shape runs from the 8th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent and light wobbles, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, front lid appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right door has one small dent and light wobbles, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. Has a manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory touchscreen media CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.